Maximizing efficiency. How freelance bloggers can find time for video production by dvgpro.com. As a freelance blogger, finding the time to dive into video production can feel like an insurmountable challenge. With writing deadlines, content planning, and audience engagement already filling your plate, adding video creation to the mix might seem nearly impossible. However, with the rising demand for video content across all platforms, ignoring this medium is no longer an option for those looking to stay competitive and relevant in the ever-evolving digital landscape. The importance of video content. Video content has become a non-negotiable part of a successful online presence. Not only does it significantly increase engagement and retention rates, but it also boosts SEO performance, making your content more discoverable. Platforms like YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok have shown us the power of video in capturing and maintaining audience attention. For freelance bloggers, this means an opportunity to expand reach and deepen connections with your audience. Understanding the time challenge. The primary hurdle for freelance bloggers when it comes to video production is time. Traditional video production involves scripting, shooting, editing, and publishing, each step requiring a significant investment of time and resources. For someone managing every aspect of their blog, from content creation to marketing, finding extra hours in the day for video production seems daunting. Streamlining your video production. The key to integrating video production into your workflow is efficiency. By streamlining the process, you can produce high-quality videos without sacrificing a significant amount of your time. Tools like Pictory.ai have revolutionized how freelance bloggers approach video production, offering a solution that balances quality with time efficiency. How Pictory.ai changes the game. Pictory.ai is a platform designed to simplify video creation, making it accessible for content creators of all skill levels. With features like script to video, blog to video, and automatic video captioning, Pictory.ai addresses the specific needs of freelance bloggers. Here's how it can help you overcome common video production challenges. Script to video. Transform your written content into engaging videos with just a few clicks. This feature allows you to repurpose blog posts, articles, or even social media updates into video format, extending the life and reach of your existing content. Blog to video. Automatically convert your blog posts into captivating videos. By simply inputting the URL of your post, Pictory.ai generates a video that highlights key points, making your content accessible to a broader audience. Edit videos using text. Editing video content can be one of the most time-consuming aspects of production. Pictory.ai simplifies this process by allowing you to edit videos through text. This means you can cut, rearrange, or add to your video without needing complex editing software. Automatic captioning. Captions are crucial for accessibility and engagement, especially on social media platforms where videos are often watched without sound. Pictory.ai's automatic captioning feature saves you the hassle of transcribing and timing captions, ensuring your videos are accessible to everyone. Incorporating Pictory.ai into your workflow. Integrating Pictory.ai into your content creation workflow is straightforward. Start by selecting pieces of written content that would benefit from a visual format. Use Pictory.ai to transform these into videos, then schedule them across your social media platforms and website. This approach not only saves you time but also amplifies your content's reach and effectiveness. Tips for successful video content. Keep it short and sweet. Attention spans are short. Aim for videos that are 2-3 minutes long to ensure higher engagement rates. Focus on quality over quantity. It's better to produce one high-quality video a week than to churn out daily videos of mediocre quality. Engage with your audience. Use videos as a tool to start conversations. Ask questions, encourage comments, and interact with your viewers to build a community around your content. Analyze and adapt. Monitor the performance of your videos to understand what resonates with your audience. Use these insights to adapt your content strategy accordingly. Final thoughts. For freelance bloggers, time is a precious commodity. Pictory.ai offers a solution that enables you to embrace video content without sacrificing your existing commitments. By streamlining the video production process, you can enhance your blog's appeal, reach a wider audience, and engage with your readers in new and exciting ways. Embracing video content is no longer just an option, it's a necessity for staying relevant in the digital age. With tools like Pictory.ai, the process is not only manageable but also enjoyable, allowing you to unleash your creativity in ways you never thought possible.